The High Court dismisses Mnangagwa's bid to punish anyone calling for sanctions. Sana pana mashoko obuda panguva ino chinoitwa kunzi awa High Court yodismissa Mnangagwa's bid awa yekupanisha anyone anenge achikola for sanctions munyika yeZimbabwe. Ndipo paipai pandokuti ibva subscriber walika woturn on the bell icon tipita panapa paZVAITWA their Facebook page vanodanyira chiti High Court Judge Justice Rogers Manyangadze has ruled against the section 22A3 of the Criminal Law Code, which aimed to criminalize individuals who call for sanctions or trade boycotts against Zimbabwe. The judge declared the provision unconstitutional, describing it as too wide, vague, and broad to be enforceable under the law. And the legal challenge was brought forward by journalist Valentine Maponga, by Damoyo Muzulu, and the legal watchdog Veritas, represented by lawyer Tendai. The court did not issue any order regarding legal cost. Thomas Karpuda Pangwa in our 32 Kuzize, our Mores Mapusipano Pamosa Pazimus like YTS. To make us a chest in KUPINDA, Iowa, Paverimka Zimbabwe, Vatova away off. About the Mafungo Elmer Pamsel Petitquesh Pangwa in a Parkonko Iowa, right now Panama succession dynamics, our Nima disputes are Republic Zimbabwe. Juniors Konoko the Iowa, each and every Zimbabwe, Ango Tarira. Vanhu vakazvibuditsa vachidisensa from these issues. Navo vangona ngoti ndakaitimboona mikono ichimbotungana bina comment section medu dzemafungiro enyu matungi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit the bell icon.